Hello and welcome to Product of the Week. I'm your dashingly handsome host, Robin Mitchell. Today we are looking at the Pimoroni Inky Impression 7.3 Ink Color E-Ink. How many times can you say ink and inch? Pimoroni Inky Impression 7.3 inch Color E-Ink display. A Color E paper for your Raspberry Pi projects. Perfect for always on displays that don't need to burn power just to exist. The Color E-Ink display is a Color E-Ink display module designed for the Raspberry Pi. It uses Spectra 6 e-paper technology, which gives you 6 color output rather than the usual monochrome e-paper that we are all used to. It's designed for static or slow-changing content, making it perfect for things like dashboards, images, or information panels that don't need constant refreshing. Connecting directly to the Raspberry Pi GPIO header, it slots neatly into that ecosystem without needing anything too complicated. What truly makes this display awesome is its ultra-low power usage. It only consumes energy when it refreshes, meaning once the image is displayed, it can sit there essentially using nothing. There is also no backlight either, which is a huge deal. That makes it perfectly readable in bright environments, even direct sunlight, where normal displays just give up. In fact, it's this ability that makes it feel like real paper, so your eyes also get a bit of a break when looking at it. But the move to color e-paper is also a massive step up. We are still stuck in the past of the old monochrome displays, so moving to this display technology means that we could actually build dashboards and displays that look much more alive. Of course, it's not that fast. Refresh times are slow, and well, that's just how e-paper works. But if you accept that trade-off, you get something that behaves more like a physical display than a screen. Personally, I've always wanted an e-paper display for writing, but alas, they are stupidly expensive for high refresh rates. When it comes to the features and specs, well, things get quite interesting. To start, there are 2 sizes available, the 7.3 inch and the 13.3 inch. The 7.3 inch version has a resolution of 800 by 480, while the larger 13.3 inch version goes up to 1600 by 1200. Both use Spectra 6 e-ink technology with a 6-color palette, including red, green, blue, yellow, and black and white. But remember color theory, boys and girls, because you can mix these to get other colors as well. Refresh times vary depending on what you are drawing, but you are typically looking at around 12 to 25 seconds per update. In terms of pixel density, the smaller 7.3 inch display comes in at 127 pixels per inch, while the larger version is around 150. That's actually really good for a display, so seeing individual pixels will be quite hard. Interface-wise, it uses SPI over the Raspberry Pi 40-pin GPIO header, making integration fairly straightforward. That also makes it easy to work with coding environments like Python on the Pi, where you can access the GPIO header and its peripherals. You get both a Qwiic and STEMMA QT connector for expansion, which makes it easier to hook up sensors or extra peripherals. Mounting hardware is included as well, including standoffs and brackets, so you are not left improvising with tape and hope. And finally, there is solid Python library support across the Raspberry Pi models, which makes it fairly easy to get up and running. So let's say you buy this thing, patiently wait at the front door for it to arrive, it gets here, you open it up and have it in your hands. What do you do then? Well, the most obvious application to me is home automation dashboards. Something that sits on a wall and quietly shows your system status without ever needing to be turned off. This would see massive power reduction, allowing sensors and interfaces to spend most of their time turned off, only waking up to refresh the display. It also works really well for server or IoT status displays, where you just want a clean snapshot of system health or sensor data. Timetables, alerts, notices, anything that updates occasionally but does not need animation would also do really well with one of these displays. And then there are the more experimental ideas. A Raspberry Pi usage display showing CPU and RAM over time, or a slow updating photo frame that rotates images or quotes. And it's also just a really nice platform for educational projects because it forces you to think differently about how you present information when you can't rely on motion or constant refresh. All in all, the Colour e-ink display is a low-power colour display for Raspberry Pi projects. Yes, it's not fast, but in the world of e-ink displays, that's not what that matters. No, in the case of this display, it's the efficiency and the colour that matters. It's not built for animation or fast-changing UIs, but instead calm, static information that just sits there doing its job. If you want always-on displays without the power drain, this is an excellent choice. Anyway, that's all I've got time for in this episode. Thank you for watching, and as always, like and subscribe for more Product of the Week.